Tim Disney's film American Violet represents a triumph in filmmaking and a really good ability on Mr. Disney's part to really develop a true story into an entertaining and thought-provoking drama. American Violet is based on the true story of Regina Kelly, who in November of 2000 was arrested for no good reason whatsoever by police in the city of Hearne in Texas. Regina Kelly is an African-American woman with 4 kids. She's a single mother, and she was arrested for drug possession and selling of drugs. She'd never done either or had either in her life. And she was offered a plea deal, which meant that she'd be a convicted felon and spend only a few weeks or months in jail versus risking going to trial and spending up to what could have been 25 years in jail. And she chose to take the chance and take a chance to go to trial and risk that. Her integrity was what was the big key, and this film's integrity matches the spirit of Miss Kelly, who is still doing very well, thriving, moving on in her life with her children and trying to make a better way for herself. American Violet seamlessly interweaves the true story with some dramatic license and some very good performances, most notably by Alfre Woodard as the mother of Dee, who is the Regina Kelly character in the film. And Dee is played by Nicole Beharie, and Nicole Beharie was in the film The Express opposite Rob Brown a couple of years ago. Miss Beharie is excellent here as Dee, conveying power, determination, and the soft side as well. And it's great to see here in a drama that's really painful to watch at times and rather disturbing, made so by all the performances, especially Miss Woodard's, Charles Dutton, he plays a local preacher in Texas, and there's some good supporting work from Will Patton, who plays a lawyer who lives down in the city of Hearne, which is called Melody in this particular film for dramatic purposes, and also the attorney from the ACLU, played by Tim Blake Nelson. He also puts a good touch on this film. There are performances also from Exhibit and Michael O'Keefe, the racist district attorney, Charles Beckett. And that is the role that Mr. O'Keefe plays in this film. And again, American Violet is a film that will anger you, will make you happy, will make you sad. It's a roller coaster of emotions, but above all, it's well executed by writer Bill Haney, who also produced this film as well. He had heard about the episode that happened to Miss Kelly in real life on an NPR show back in 2003, and he said he was compelled to get it onto film, and he does, with the help of Mr. Disney, who directs it well. All the performances work. American Violet blossoms and blooms. I'm Omar Moore for PopcornReel.com.